Welcome everyone to my most exciting YouTube video yet. This is going to be the unboxing of the SureView case from Incipio featuring a 10.2 iPad. So when I agreed to this collaboration, I had no idea what to expect, and I certainly did not expect a box this huge when I stepped out my front door when the FedEx truck pulled up. So I was, astounded and super excited to see what was inside. Going into this collaboration, I'd read some really great reviews about Incipio and the cases they made, but truth be told, this was not what I envisioned. The box was huge. I'm going to actually use it for storage because it's a really nice sturdy box, and when I opened it, wow, look at that. How cool does that look? So I don't think I have to tell you this, but this is my first ever sponsored video, and I'm so grateful to Incipio for giving me this opportunity and surprising me with such an amazing gift. I'm completely floored, and let me just show you what's inside. Unsure of what I would find inside, I gingerly lifted the top and voila! This is what greeted me. It was basically the perfect movie setup. Taking a closer look at the case, I saw that there was this lining on the inside, like a little soft, spongy material to help protect the back, and a magnet on the side to keep the case closed, which I always really like. And now comes probably the most satisfying part of any iPad unboxing video. Let's plop this sleek beauty back into its protective case, make sure nothing happens to it, and it's a lot easier getting it back in than it was getting it back out, which is actually a really good sign, I think. I don't know if you're watching this because you want an iPad or you have an iPad and you just enjoy these types of videos, but I think an iPad is a really great accessory for school. I went to medical school, so for me it was really great to be able to annotate on the histology images and the radiographs that we got and the CTs and circle the things we were looking at. So I do think an iPad is very helpful. It's not absolutely necessary, but it is very, very helpful. And if you're thinking of getting one, then this is the size that I definitely recommend. I had a bigger one, a 12.9 Pro, and honestly, no matter how much I liked writing on a table in that size, it was too big. But this iPad, when you pick it up, it feels sturdy, it feels strong, but it's very portable. You can take it with you wherever you go. It's got everything that you would need on it. And there's a really important component of this iPad, which is that it's Apple Pencil compatible. It's the 8th generation iPad, and it uses the original Apple Pencil, which is the one I already had. And this case has a nice little Apple Pencil holder, which is even better because everything's very compact and portable, so you can study on the go. So enough shop talk, let's talk about why we're actually here, which is the movie night. So I've always loved going to the movies. Even now, even though I can access any movie online with a streaming device or whatever, I still like going to the movies, and the reason is the snacks. Growing up, we used to go to the movies and sneak in our favorite snacks with my best friend. Very brave at the time. I don't think I'd be able to do that now. And it just brings back really great memories. So the reason for the movie night theme is because the case allows you to prop the iPad up at such an angle that makes it very comfortable to watch things on. And so the first thing I did was download Amazon Prime in order to continue watching the show that I'd been watching every night after I finished studying. But before we get to that, let's actually look at the iPad accessories. These are an oft overlooked part of an unboxing video, but actually one of my favorites because I just love the way that the little things sound when you're unwrapping them. So forgetting all about the fact that it was in the middle of the day and that I should be studying, I curled up on the couch and I watched an episode of Scrubs. This is a point of contention for a lot of people who love Scrubs. This is season 9, which some people would say is not even part of the original show, and I guess in a way they're right. But the truth is, when I was starting medical school, it was actually really fun to watch the medical school season of Scrubs because it made me feel like I was going to be there. So anyway, let me know what you think about season 9 below while I try out the Apple Pencil. Thank you so much for watching my first ever sponsored video. This has been really exciting to share with you guys, and if you're interested in buying a case from Incipio, you can check the link in my description. It'll take you right to their website where you can browse all of the different designs they have, and see you in the next video.